Hello, we are the Student Financial Services Department. We're also known as the Bursar Office. Our department does all billing for tuition, fees, and related charges. We collect all payments, including payment plans. We process financial aid overpayments and any other account overpayment as refunds. We process third-party sponsored billing, which is an external entity paying your bills, such as an employer, military payer, or organization requiring invoicing. Our office includes student debt management, which handles past due payment arrangements. Our in-person cashier window hours are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Phone and email hours are Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. All of our services are available through your My UCCS student portal. To access the student portal, go to uccs.edu, select Tools, then click on My UCCS Student Portal. Once logged into the portal, our services can be located under the 3-line hamburger menu in the upper right corner. Select the Student Financials Bursar tab. Once on this page, you can access all services related to your student account. Under the View and Pay Your Bill option, you can view your bill and make payments online. Tuition and fees are available for the fall 2025 semester on July 28th. UCCS accepts all major debit and credit cards, as well as the e-check option for online payments. We encourage you to use the e-check option to avoid paying a service fee. Paying online with an e-check is the same as mailing or dropping off a paper check in person. Simply use the information from the bottom of your paper check to submit the payment online. Please note, if you choose to pay with a debit or credit card, our payment servicer charges a 2.85% service fee, both for online transactions or in-person transactions. Financial aid will start posting your loans, grants, and scholarships to your student account on August 15th for the fall 2025 semester. Billing statements can also be located under the View and Pay Your Bill tile. Our first billing statement will be available online August 18th. Please note, UCCS does not mail paper bills. Bills are only delivered online in the My UCCS student portal, and notices are sent to the student's UCCS email account. Authorized payers, which will be covered later in my presentation, can also access billing online and receive billing notifications to their email address provided. Here at UCCS, we charge tuition based on the total number of credit hours earned, which also includes transfer credits into UCCS. Our freshman-sophomore rate is a reduced rate that's the same rate regardless of degree program, and is applicable for students with less than 60 credit hours. Our junior-senior rates are specific to the college in which the degree program is offered, and is applicable for students with 60 or more credit hours. Please note that the tuition rate will change once 60 or more credit hours are earned. College Opportunity Fund is the state of Colorado's portion towards your undergraduate tuition costs. To be eligible for COF, you must be classified as a Colorado resident for tuition purposes and an undergraduate student. There are 2 steps to apply the $116 per credit hour to your student account. Step 1. For students who are new to UCCS and haven't received COF, you need to apply for the College Opportunity Fund by going to the COF website, which is cof.college-assist.org. And to apply for COF, you just need to put your name, date of birth, and your social security number. Wait about 2 to 3 business days for your application to go through, and you'll be done for step 1. Transfer students who've already received COF from another college or university, you do not need to apply for COF again, but you do need to authorize your COF in your My UCCS student portal. With step 2, after 2 to 3 business days after you've completed the COF application, in order for the funds to be applied to your student account, you need to authorize your cough through your My UCCS student portal. Simply click on the Authorize Cough tile in the Student Financials Bursar area. Click on the Fall 2025 semester, click on Update Authorization, click on Authorize, click on Submit, and finally click on Confirm. And after you do these steps, you would have authorized your College Opportunity Fund to take off $116 per credit hour on the upcoming Fall 2025 semester. Please note the cough amount is subject to change. If you have an overpayment on your student account, such as excess financial aid, you can authorize the refund to be directly deposited into your bank account. Refunds default to a paper check sent in the mail once a week. To expedite your refund, select the Authorize Direct Deposit tile in your My UCCS student portal under the Student Financials Bursar tab. Select your bank account type, checking or savings. Enter your routing number of your bank and your account number. Please confirm this information with your bank prior to submitting. Refunds from excess financial aid will start on August 15th. Any other non-financial aid refunds will begin processing after our census date on September 11th. Please note, any refund sourced from a credit card transaction is required to be refunded back to the credit card used to make the payment. To set up an authorized payer, such as a parent or family member, to gain access to online billing and payments, select Authorize Others to view and pay the bill in your My UCCS student portal under the Student Financials Bursar tab. Please note, authorized payer access does not grant access for the payer to call or email with UCCS regarding account details or questions. To communicate with UCCS directly, the student must complete the FERPA Consent to Release as well, and that's located in the student portal under the Records and Registration tab. For authorized payers, submit the payer's details and create a login name to share with the payer. An email confirmation will be sent to the authorized payer to create a password. You can create as many authorized payers as you wish. Authorized payers will have their own login to view and pay the bill, and they will also receive all billing notifications at the email address provided. Authorized payers can view statements and account activities. They can also submit payment online on behalf of the student if they wish. The payment options are the same for authorized payers as their student payment options in their My UCCS student portal. E-check option is recommended to submit payment without the service fee. If the authorized payer chooses to use a debit or credit card, there is a 2.85% service fee assessed by our payment servicer. September 11th is the due date for the fall semester. This is also known as the census date, which is the last day to drop full semester courses with 100% refund. Please note, always know the census date of your courses because that's the last day you can drop the course to get back a full refund. If you drop after the census date, you end up paying for the spot in that class. We have two payment options. You can pay in full by September 11th, or we do offer a payment plan to avoid late fines and service charges. To enroll in a payment plan through your My UCCS student portal, select the Student Financials Bursar tab and then click on the Enroll in Payment Plan tile. If you set up authorized payers, that authorized payer can also enroll in a payment plan on your behalf through Nelnet QuickPay. The payment plan is an auto deduction pay plan that requires a $45 non-refundable fee at the time of enrollment. Our payment plan is an automatic deduction pay plan. So however the student or the authorized payer pays the $45 payment plan enrollment fee, that's what account you're setting up to be automatically deducted from on the 20th of each month. We offer two different payment plans for the fall semester. The first pay plan is the 4-pay plan. It's available when we load balances on July 28th, and you have up until August 19th to enroll in the 4-pay payment plan. And that's because the auto deductions will start to occur on August 20th, September 20th, October 20th, and November 20th. We also offer a 3-pay payment plan, and this gives you a little bit more time to make a decision. The 3-pay payment plan is available starting July 28th, and you have all the way up until our due date, which is September 11th, to enroll in the 3-pay payment plan. And those auto deductions don't start to occur until September 20th, then October 20th, and November 20th. To request our office to process third-party sponsored billing on your behalf, you need to submit a sponsored billing request form in the MyUCCS student portal. Reminder: third-party sponsored billing is for any external entity paying your bills, such as an employer, military payer, or organization requiring invoicing. If you are using veterans benefits such as Voc Rehab or the GI Bill, you do need to complete the Veterans Benefit Enrollment, the REV form, in your MyUCCS student portal under the Records and Registration tab. You will be required to submit your sponsored billing request form every term you want UCCS to invoice your sponsor for your tuition and fee costs. Select your sponsor or type in your sponsor's name if it is not listed. Directly attach your sponsored billing letter of approval from your sponsor within the request form. Acknowledge of your tuition responsibility and your student responsibility. Then click and apply your electronic signature. If you're going to be using any of the following VA educational benefits, we need you to log into your MyUCCS student portal, select the Records and Registration tab, then you select the tile called Veteran Benefit Enrollment, known as the REV. If you'd like to get additional information on how to submit your request for enrollment verification, your REV, you can go to the military.uccs.edu website and select their how-to guides. For additional information about submitting your REV, you can always go to the Veteran and Military Affairs office. They're open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or you can give them a call at 719-255-3253. Authorized payer access does not grant access to discuss the bill or details on the account. FERPA consent is required and will be verified for all communications with UCCS. Your student has to give you permission in order to call any of our offices asking specific account information. In order for you to be added on FERPA, your student can log into their MyUCCS student portal, and under the Records and Registration tab, they'll click on the tile that says FERPA Consent to Release. To complete the FERPA Consent to Release, your student must enter your first name, your last name, and an authorization phrase. They can make it financial records only, academic records only, or all educational records. If you have additional questions for our Student Financial Services Department, you can give us a call at 719-255-3391. You could send us an email at bursar@uccs.edu, or you can go to our website, which is bursar.uccs.edu. If you'd like to estimate the upcoming cost of your semester here at UCCS, by going to our website, simply click on the link called Estimate Your Bill. Thank you for your time and welcome to UCCS.